Hello everyone, my name's Chris Mortimer from Crism Security, and today is Free Advice Friday, and this next week is Bonfire Week. Not Bonfire Night anymore, it's Bonfire Week. Now then, statistically, you're more likely to get burgled during Bonfire Week, obviously, because of the bangs and the noise. So if you're going to set your alarm any time this year, do it this week, these 2 weekends and in between. If you've got animals and you don't set your alarm because you've got animals or something, put them in one room, put the radio on for them, make it nice, but at least set your alarm this 1 week above all other weeks. So don't be a victim to crime, don't be a victim to burns either, take care. And also, if you're over 35, stay off the bonfire toffee. So that's Chris Mortimer, Crism Security. Thank you so much for your comments from last week. Please pop some down for this week, and we'll see you next week. Have a safe bonfire night.